Congratulations to SPLA-IO. Kat lara gwada na chikan la dora shalga mo Pajut. SPLA-IO movement chikan mek kana expect ke kana ngaje gwana wo medero da lat ki de to. Tarab ngaje, you know. Ala kuumɛ SSPD ko le tene kan kare de no de kan UI de kan yuan my ke te ka plan ko de kan gwada dan te SPLA-IO tende kan ka. In the state ka jen morning ka chang ka waldh we ka chang wal bakala mo ka chang waldh ke chang wal ngwan we chang waldh and then cha plan jare le ka kuumɛ SPLA-IO boom chwa dore dan te tin ka Pajut chwa yuan match ana chwa which chwa kabakan an kore dana choda lat bana tuk wan bana lat ka kwida gwasme to go no de share ya kel ka men gwada na chala kuumɛ SPLA-IO me benyo ka jen report mene are report kana me kuumɛ SPLA-IO jikan ne ri choko jan dang ra wi de jok chikan ka kap 23 prisoner of war jikan kap ka Pajut kore chito ka Pajut cha jang cha ka captain menen were batin content kel ke jang kel ke te kel ka kum ke miyadit ana cha ka vere kurmo ko korche tet ke korche beja longa ke ka gwaze dana cha ka pere ka tin ka ngai kan diala ko and Pajut by the way again the largest military base across Jonglei, the largest man ngat kan je kan dial dia jadi if you can remember akan kono ka jendung Pajut me ta kap ke 23 prisoner ne maniam ene dia je ko ndiala ngaje ne red bell group ka dor shalga Jonglei ne ene gorga jen wode ka kef chwade mi di chwa jak chu pol dang chu we ala shiba staff don ke mi yadi chu we bor e kan ne shalga ti red bell group kan ka kef so bena meshi wuci kon diala nen yuko we ke torbile tin tu weekend ka match me dide kon so torbile to kon diala nang bur kan dial nang ka bur ko ne teken ga plan and then you can ne diala ga nang dor shalga mo Pajut me just it was a way ko bi gor kana bi kan gwada da SPLA-IO tin ana bi kana wakaf jerman ai kona nega taya da ne letta da ga ko ke ete ka malati lade this way order kon la be ga kirmi yadit ko bi ba Nuer ba kula nak nyanta dan lade je kaja and then from there plan ni kan wi lade ne je ne dan me cha yo kap kan diaru in chu dor chal ko mo Pajut so am Pajut me dan je chup tin dial shukare latin 1,000 of soldier take tin kan mechten kon dit la torbila kon weekend tin te ka met je long shukare chu la da gwata mone ere gwata mo ka Pajut me kan ngaji no jen military base you can build up alamdit me chane de kon me chaaju ka UI ana yu purun wana mo kandial so plan di ne ci kon ling man jo yi kan top lat ken no bine gwadi ala kon ya keb kuumɛ SPLA-IO bine ga dil keb kan dial tele area maybe dot jor kan area ne dial to bine ga kef and then from there kan kuumɛ SPLA-IO can look for any information that you can lat can team and then you can video you can jack lat can SPLA-IO lat can jor shol can nya gane lat can jor and ban all the places take on ya nang kuumɛ SPLA-IO can dial ban ka kef can all those places ban ka fight and then from there make kon me dan show the lat next we have seen that and then me to again ka wera mo na bakawa ka wera long bakawa kuumɛ SPLA-IO shuka moved shuka jen shuka way shukan way gwasandan en tekatin kanediti ti shwalkati SSPDF ejen wera mo ne SSPDF shwaka megaka ray dwarin ka kan tika machalong tengai konen go kan mede kona nget kan ka mede dit long ti mede ton mede dit fan tela chwalka mede dit kan SPLA-IO kan setede ko ite gane de shalke SSPD apite gamete dit you can base mo you can yuan mic karun wang ni re ko mo you can make de shogojan you can torbele shogojan dang raw wi de tidit torbele dit kan dial ti ken ka match you kan ka cap away ne ka wulini you kan ka kapang ni SPLA-IO so we mo you pen in the morning Piani pian gaje. Ano ka jom chalat telping mu chalat mi ci test nien ta dan men jibon bat jibon de tot. Me to gene kuumɛ SPLA-IO me shi kuri kana to chukaneten kon tila dines SSPDF chukan ka kap mani jibona ken tera mi cha ne ken tera mi cha chok ken bat chukan ka jago bikan kap ne ka me gana ka ba jikan nyor gwa kel kan dial ne de kona cha kap ka cha video ni ken cha ga nyot cha de ne ti chok jan dang ra wi dok cha ga kap kuumɛ SPLA-IO ti te kan tama changa boteram ci botche jek dang da la ram mo te pin me amu ge bonun banete content wena mo tin cha kaf ka cha chiba ke video ke la video tera mi cha mo kariya ka right ka lor kuumɛ SPLA-IO chikala ne ke Saturday kan chikan ne cho jandang ri doki gana kap the prisoner of war ere ne to the senior officer teten katiman batekaten ka korga me sha Pajut chaja ke ba kuumɛ SPLA-IO ka Jonglei state SPLA-IO Brigadier General Mariel Galwak jaba ke jimmi dian wonene jine ne de ti jine ka kap jine brigadier jine kaf ke jine ran National Police Service bo jine kaf ke kulne milaran so Sudan People Defense Force la SSPDF chikana kaba kana de ti akala prisoner of war tin jine ka kaf rai wi ka Pajut kapa yam dumdu kanti menteke uror kanti chigala no kene de tire akaf akane they are safe terammo miro keke medeka nak telaran no chigalwa ke jomo jalat jalado SPLA-IO fighters nyene ken ke kuumɛ ken yadit nyene ken ga civilian chikan la do ne kan ji SPLA-IO kabdian ke base SSPDF ekeni chulodien te da long ko SSPDF chikar charan bar ke tanen chikar yar wankur ramada dia mi gana kab gwasme ran SSPDF mala kolene chale tut tenpan e wunwara cha kevere kurmo cha jaka kira kene ko nan jaka kirm yadit chale tut tenpan cha kef ere kurmo e wunwara michun kelka kum kirm yadit so teka jomo gwami kan lat gwasme meler kan e diala kono ya shema ken cha kef ko chicken video ni ken ganen ke tur ni ken yokan ken wonene yen chwara panic yen chwara nger gorjono beturu no mo be nyaga yekel ko biya kula neneno e turu mendien men chari leka ke chanong kuumɛ SPLA-IO chirmana ngai koneno kuumɛ SPLA-IO they are organized chari leka signate mo te just they na they can come kariya tika that position e kuumɛ men chal ke kuumɛ la tok dalet kan wor kel wode nediti akaneden kontin ya kaf kanede kone ya kaf kuumɛ SPLA-IO kanede kone ya kaf rewishin winami kanede kone ya kaf chirmangai kone kap ka kare kur ke kap ga wan kur ke prisoner of war chirmangai chikon ngaje no kur chetwo so chawun warga mo chay captain SPLA-IO Brigadier General joka nada no ran ci dier karan ci manam ci video resinen ki turde kane kan dial teke tele kare cyanga ken no Brigadier kane tele rek ran National Police Service bokka tin kane total kare man kulna from South Sudan People Defense Force kane dial ko na shakef terambe ka nyot ke tarambe ko moy kare kane just ba yene ka mi ci tam ci ben ba ko luñ chicken ila no chine area mo chine kef So munyono kene di ala kono tika control right now. Tika lwak yala do nene ranchi pane kene ko la shema entity anyok galwak yara kane de kontin tissurin bar especially and very special leader would shall dakwet watch the bar dorshal ke dukanti che jogono jin joga dakwet lan lo Nuer special leader lo na jok wer ka uror lo na jok uror lo ni ngane jok man yalla ko na jelga jikel ka lo chiene ken chunga na chuka jago biga tegere gwana ko antikatin ka loch ne dore ken chawdar mo chejitup chawdar mo chaytup ajen kuer me ala kuer ram kelke SPLA IO chale galwak ram radian gwazme chalat a police officer brigadier deng jogdut Jen government joint operation force me chalade ken chalado janata la area me chakama gwal chenyin tin ga SPLA IO jana kana mo kariek jana chatik de chaje ken taram chinak chana joka live video mon woni de wala ke jeno SPLA IO na ram chikan jira kana anak jana me chitok yala da deng jane ka jo me cha record ka chaling ajano chawu de mo chaja kaf me chi gane kaf chi gane mo ka kwan ka chi gane mo ka piu tel mlare kane chiram kel do dien mo charajbo me captive second lieutenant wum chara Sudan mawich era national service security cha ka bore kuramo wude me kap ka je wankur wajin charo da bar re ruwam de tin wanamo gwad ko je tokten den gwad cho captain ka chwanong alo tega tele la rector amma mo jerek tega teka kol na tut ten ramkel mi ci servala ran SSPDF ka division 8 ka yai jani cha mu ka bot ka jen kor Friday in paiwa kor changa di je tok kor je tok Pajut chadio kep kuumɛ SPLA IO force benen changa mo antam jakel ka SPLA IO ala ramu chamu ka bot charaj boka video gwam jawe tinga video la jeno kuumɛ ke liwa kel telo IO telo SSPDF jene kon dial ka kon kel la da jo mo gwam raje tin ke video ko ram kel ka dina SSPDF ko ne akaf ke jen video mo chala do on tamata kel ge SPLA IO ka ramata ga bot jane changane gwa termlarek so ne dial te gane kone akavre which ni mi chere mangai kone ano riune anton wan la ge jeno SPLA IO mi chigana chicken ka kef ana buga nanak merdian gwasame ka jawra na chanyo lat gwasame bala SPLA IO ka we chigana announce ka je o cha Pajut cha kef si SPLA IO kidgwang faction bo mene ping general Simon Gadu dual ba chiko ka jana mo eno ka join force cha la da kan chicken dormo chicken dak chicken Pajut chicken kef kan chi wen matkel ke kuumɛ SPLA IO force ente ka eno bikan uror kan bikan kef abene ka jan fall to kokenati so right now right corner kane to corner to ka tin cha dormo cha de kef ka joran chicken lat be ko ne gwas me ka talk English ko biya take ngi shima le road because they kon dial take ngi know what is exactly happening there. According to the report, SPLA IO said it captured 23 prisoners of war in Pajut fighting. The opposition SPLA IO says Saturday it has captured 23 prisoners of war, including senior officer and women, following fighting in Pajut area of Jonglei State. SPLA IO Brigadier General Mariel Galwak told the media that the captives include a brigadier from National Police Service and colonel from South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF. He said the prisoners were captured after forces took control of Pajut Payam in Duke County near Uror County. The prisoners are safe and are being treated in accordance with law, Galwak said, adding that the SPLA-IO fight is against the government, not civilian. Galwak identified the capture of SSPDF Colonel Astut Tenpan. He urged families of those captured not to panic, saying that anyone not killed in the fighting remain alive in SPLA-IO custody. Galwak also called on Nuer spiritual leader Dakwit, who he said has taken refuge in Duke County, to return to Uror County and allow youth aligned with him to go back to their home areas. One of the captured police officer, Brigadier Deng Jogdut of the government joint operation force, said he was unharmed and thanks SPLA-IO fighter for sparing his life. Some SPLA-IO said, or let's just simply say, some people say the SPLA-IO kill people. That's what they always tell people. But that is not true. Deng stated in a recorded statement, when they captured me, they gave me food and water. That's what he told people on live video. Another captive is Second Lieutenant by the name Mawish of National Security Service, say he was captured after fleeing into a nearby bush during the fighting, and he said all detainees were safe and had not been mistreated. We are all alive, nobody was tortured, and everything is fine, Mawich stated. Colonel Tutain said he served with SSPDF Division 8 in why he said he was wounded during Friday fighting in Pajut and later captured by SPLA-IO forces. Well, here we go. And he said that I am now with the SPLA-IO and I'm wounded. He say, my message is that our country need peace and development. There is no tribalism in this conflict. It is between two groups who differ on how the country should be governed. The capture of the prisoner followed clash early Friday between the SSPDF and SPLA-IO forces in Pajut, which lies between Uror and Duke counties in Jonglei State. The SPLA-IO announced Friday that it had taken control of Pajut. The SPLA-IO Kitgwang faction, led by General Simon Gaduidwell, told Radio Tamazuj that the area was seized by joint opposition forces, and Pajut had become a key gathering point for government troops after SPLA-IO forces captured Uror County from SSPDF on January 2nd, with some unit reportedly positioning there in preparation for a counter-offensive. The SSPDF has not yet commented on the capture of its soldier in Pajut. Amlin kon magwas me kuumɛ SPLA-IO telmika tereng mujikan latka di SSPDF acer mengai kona en ram mo dong chiri ar kaji SSPDF bala ramadana dong chikana nagwa ankur bada kan me dia kon ne ga kapte ram mo mete kare kake. According to them, kana kuumɛ SPLA-IO gure principally kur ka gure tendi alte kone shala danu ene civilian baje del gang ene rami momela civil baje gang anyok ene rami momi cha kap ko jaka front line baje del kavalo jen ramo cha yene ja chati de chaje bubat batere te jen ala rami momela prisoner of war te rami bran torture te rami bran moy karek ajen jodan lat kene we are committed no bne mal bne no South Sudan in general order kene tub jane o kiem yadit mo kene che dakram cha che jeluñ ala first by president man lokare wike juba mu kan che jaluñ gwada rom jetena loye hoste kaje kan within 2 week time we will be in Juba jenta dan le road and tama kaje report dan chikana lat mara dina wa all the forces la de ni SPDF tin conent ka stand goal wa ka tin ku kan gather ko bi kan kanang bor ka jongle ko en bor taga lon ka Juba 5 hour or 4 hour dong ne na chugo torbele ka borbe na china potin ne rekon la jiwich ne rekon la senior government official china pone del na ka Juba ko ngai kana no anytime bubur bu korbe chopten chirmana they are preparing but yam cha kula da kuumɛ SPLA IO kanene amu mamlara na SSPDF chine goro jan bo we kore me we kon bad regime dictator regime chine di alcheka fair tele transparency mja kon ko bana liu nagana so na me michikan la kan anyok mara dian man cha nyo mutu ko gwasme kuumɛ nutin kontela international community chitke gad Africa Union ne de tila kan kula interfere after that chana ta kan nak ke gwada dana kuna la ku rodin la defend chitke me dane bugo Nuer ka jan kawro ke ka yaya win diality telmi kana kamnal chinga rit kan lat ba ta maji kuumɛ SPLA IO chiga bana chikan Pajut chikana kablo ka bor chiga bana wote ka mal magor kan ba balat so ne da ti la kana ga dial kadi jagalon shi to go shina da mun ne am kake ko la kana interfere gwa ya kana ngaje no mutiam karandien chi kere mu raina me ram ba kep wa an korke ba kem ni den ka to chi ga bene tele kor mu we ni am ga nga civilian yene kor jaga ena mala lat ka wal chi kiro re de chamal chi jelo ko na la nak ba yo me na de jupu gwa da an ta ga tambi bene ka mediator kana ite ne to so jo me jana na gode nyu akon kelen ban yo jikari porodien biata kamal